Good morning once again, and welcome to the 2024 Absa Africa Financial Markets Index launch.
Today you join us here to discuss the Absa Africa Financial Markets Index, which continues to play a key role in pushing Africa's financial market development forward since its inception 8 years ago.
Zambia, at least with the Eurobond restructuring completed in the middle part of this year, was still waiting for other creditors, but that should place us on a better footing in the periods ahead. Ethiopia, Ghana, Zambia, the other countries on the continent that have worked through debt restructurings in the last year or so.
It's upon realization that transparency matters in finance, okay? Across the economy, transparency matters. If you are going to have a lot of opaqueness in many economic decisions, then investors have a problem to truly place value on whatever they are trying to do.
The banking sector will do this, capital markets will do this, long-term capital will come from the pensions and insurance side of the economy.
The stress test was one of the things that actually pushed up our points on Pillar 3. I would like to hear from you how that happened.
We are currently conducting consultations with business community on currency regulations, right? And these currency regulations are intended to strengthen the usage of the local currency in our domestic transactions.
The scenario where if we do well in terms of our growth, then our payments suddenly shoot up.
So when you look at the process of the legislation through the Acts of Parliament, this is a process that is subject to a lot of scrutiny, because first the bills are going to be published, and these bills are public documents, meaning people are now interested and will look at the bills and see and take an interest and be able to even petition, whether it's through their members of parliament, to see that this particular measure that you want to change is not good.
As a fund manager, you'll probably be looking for one, yield, second, diversification. Here, we tend to see the challenge, and it has come through even in the study around diversification, in that pension funds locally in Zambia have had trouble trying to diversify country risk. So you will hear in certain segments that assets under management in the pension funds have actually grown in local currency terms. But when you do the conversion into the dollar, you find that actually they've had a big shaving off the value of the pension fund.
Products can then be launched on the market. It allows us, by and large, to be able to provide you a lot of comfort around the divestiture of our current, vanilla product offering.
But I just want to say thank you very much to each and every one of our panelists, our moderator, and indeed Anthony and Jeff for supporting us in this. This is the 8th time that we are basically having this index launch. And over the years, it's evolved, and it keeps on evolving, and the quality of the conversations, they keep on changing, becoming ever so relevant. And indeed, it's good to see the journey that Zambia has made over time. I would have wanted to see it much higher, but at least it's in the positive trajectory.